In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up for Raiz, a micro investing platform that allows you to invest spare change automatically from everyday purchases. If you want to find out how to get free money on your Raiz account just for signing up, be sure to watch through to the end of the video, as I'll be sharing that with you later. First step is to enter in the email you're going to be using, create a password, and then create a PIN. After that, please write down your email, password and PIN down just in case you forget them. Step number 2 is accepting the PDS and ticking the box that you're over 18. This is a pretty simple step, self-explanatory. Read through the instructions if you wish. We then come to the Raiz 3-step sign up. Now this is pretty simple as well. We choose the bank account or debit card, credit card that we're going to round up from. My bank is under More Bank, so I go in there and find my bank. I then enter my PIN and secure code and then select automatic roundups. We choose our funding account, which is where the money will be withdrawn from and deposited to. And then we enter our personal information. Now there's a few boxes to tick. We enter in some details to help Raiz pick a good portfolio. And then the last line is where we can earn that free money. So that's where we're going to have the invite code. If we use my invite code, it helps out the channel a lot, and it also gives you guys some free money in your Raiz account. So it is well worth doing. We now move on to picking a portfolio. Now there's a range of portfolios from conservative all the way up to aggressive, and as you can see with the pie chart, they are comprised of different risk stocks and bonds and assets in different quantities. There is also a slider which can be used to show the predicted growth of the portfolio. Now obviously this is just a prediction and predictions can be wrong, but it's a pretty long-term prediction using lots of past data, so for a long period of time you can guess that it's going to be pretty accurate. Now you're going to need to pick a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. So if you're young, you might have a higher risk tolerance as you've got more years to grow this money, but if you're older you might have a more conservative risk tolerance as you don't want to burn all your money in the short-term volatility of the market. Now the next step is to pick the initial investment amount. You can pick $0 if you just want to use roundups, or you can invest $1,000 if you want to get the ball rolling pretty fast. Now we're all done. As you can see, that will be some pending roundups from your purchases that you've already made in the last month, I think it is. And that's the video, guys. A pretty simple one. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like, as it does help the video out a lot. And don't forget to use that code, as it'll give you guys some free money. I'll leave that down in the description. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.